What's the meaning of Anchorite? Anchorite. 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 Anchorite.
Anchorite refers to a person who has chosen to live in seclusion for religious or spiritual reasons. It is a term that is often associated with the Christian and Buddhist traditions, but can be found in various other faiths and cultures as well. Anchorites typically live in small cells or rooms, devoting themselves to prayer, meditation, and contemplation. They may take vows of poverty, chastity, or obedience, and are often highly respected for their asceticism and devotion. The lifestyle of an anchorite is one of extreme simplicity and self-denial, with the ultimate goal of achieving spiritual enlightenment and union with the divine.